Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share all my Unreal Engine 5 tutorial collections. So you can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions. I already put it in the first link, tutorial collections, Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. So in this category, this tutorial collections, once you click into this link, it is going to redirect you to my website like this. So the category is the tutorial. You can see category Unreal Engine tutorial. If you lost inside my site, you can just go to the site here at the widget here under my tutorial for Unreal Engines. You click this, then it is going to open by using a new tab. Then all of these tutorials that's listed here, these are all of the Unreal Engine 5 tutorial that I created, and everything's are here. All Unreal Engine related tutorials. There are totally 26 pages that related with the Unreal Engine 5. Now for all of the pipeline tutorial, how to create the animals, how to create the monster, everything, how to create a human, how to perform the facial mockup, AI facial mockup or AI body mockup for Unreal Engine 5, everything are here. For example, the Blender 3.6 animation pipeline to Unreal Engine. All of the tutorials are in details. You can just click into that. It is going to enter that tutorial. Right. Once you click into that, you can see the YouTube video is at here. All of these are the tutorial that's recorded by me. Once you try to play, then you can just click here to maximize it. Then you can just play, you can just learn from here. If you double click, it is going to minimize it again. All of the related resources are at the link at the bottom here. This is a really massive Unreal Engine tutorial collections. There are 26 pages, and each of the pages there are 9 video tutorials here. So if you want to become a 3D animator or game developer, this is a really useful tutorial for your Unreal Engine's workflow. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of the tutorial collections of my Unreal Engine 5 tutorials in Freedom Arts 3D, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you.